Hi, so welcome to this tutorial on installing Free Pascal. Free Pascal is the app that you're going to use to develop your Pascal applications and run them. It's a free download, so this video is going to show you where to go find it and how to begin the installation, basically. Right? So let's get started. Very simple search engine. You're going to want to search for Free Pascal, or you can just go ahead and type in the freepascal.org URL in your browser. Either way, this is the Free Pascal web page. A lot of good stuff there, but what we're looking for here is the download link, top right, and what comes up are all the different binaries for the various operating systems that freepascal.org supports. For this video, we're going to be using Windows 32-bit, so click on that. The binaries are actually stored on SourceForge because it's a free app, it's a free and open source application. So it's not actually stored on freepascal.org, so you're going to click on SourceForge, and it's going to take you to SourceForge.net page, and you simply just click on download latest version, which is about 40 megs. So that takes a couple seconds to begin, and it's going to ask you for where to store the download. Click on save, and there we go, and run. So we're going to open this. It's going to ask you to elevate your privileges, so just click on yes and enter your admin password, and then the installer comes up. So that happened off screen. I'm just going to clear this up a bit so we can start the install process. So welcome to the Free Pascal Setup Wizard. This is version 3.0.4. Next. It's a standard install. You could probably next through most of these things. This is where you want the file to be, the suite of applications to be installed. I usually like to install mine on the D drive. Takes up about 33 megs of this space. Let's click on next. I had it there before, so if you had it's installed there before, you're gonna get that. This is whether or not you want a full installation or a custom installation. So that's what the custom installation is. Some documentation, some demos, some examples. In total 250 megabytes of this space. That's not too bad, so we're gonna leave that. This is what comes up in your start menu, so we're gonna leave that. This is what file extensions you want associated with the Free Pascal IDE. I would suggest you include the .pass extension, which allows you to double click on your .pass files and have it open directly into the IDE, right? So you may very well want to have that associated there, or you may not too. You may not either. You may want .pass files to open in Notepad, so you can do quick editing. Up to you, really. Right, so click on next, kind of just run through what's going to happen, and then click on install. Shouldn't take very long. It's installing a lot of good stuff here. If you're interested in doing developments using the Pascal language, for these set of sessions, we're not going to use most of those. This is just an introductory set of sessions, and there we go. This is just basically some reading material in terms of what's new. You would have seen that on SourceForge already. Click on next. Viewed README, not really, and okay. So I'm going to start it now. It's going to come up in your start menu, which comes up on my screen, off screen on my laptop. So you just click on Free Pascal, and there you have it. It's loaded. All right. The next series of videos now, we're going to go directly into the application and start programming. To see what it looks like, you click on File New, and this is pretty much your window here. One little pet peeve I have, options, environment, preferences. I like a longer page, so I'm going to just select video mode from 40 by 25 to 40 by 43. Click on OK, and yeah, that's okay for me, and this is pretty much what I want to use here. So this is your IDE that you'll be using for the rest of the sessions. like so. So this is kind of what Pascal very basically looks like. All right, thanks for you know, staying around, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, have a good one.